was a really weird day.
So we're looking at houses with Angie Tarrant, who is our showrunner.
Angie's been with us since the very first pilot episode.
The showrunner is the person who makes sure that everything is working together. Budgets, construction, camera team, Erin and Ben, like making sure that we're all on the same page and working together.
So I'm Angie Tarrant. I'm the producer of Hometown, and this is my sister, Kimberly. Oh, I look at you.
You
Sorry.
were looking directly into the lens the whole time. So, hi, who are you?
Okay, I'm Angie Tarrant. I'm the producer of I just looked at the camera again. I was a news producer in New York for about 15 years, and I was done with it. And so I took a leap of faith and decided to make a mid-career life change. And I headed to Mississippi to do a pilot called Hometown. 5 years later, I'm still here. We love vacationing. We love going to resorts. What I would like to do is feel that way at home.
Angie's gonna say having a big house where her whole family can come and visit, and a home office and all that is what's important to her, but what's really important to her is a pool.
Yep.
Well, I know it's not the kitchen. You talk about entertaining a lot, but I've seen your refrigerator.
This
Yep.
one's cool, huh?
It's rustic.
It is very rustic.
Angie's sister from Chicago is here, Kimberly. She's her glamorous sister. Angie's gonna have a really hard time cutting the cord from this show. The rule is, if you're gonna do Hometown, you don't get to peek. You don't drive by. You don't get to know what's going on. This is gonna be really hilarious, I think.
All right, so this is the T. Bauer house. Eric T. Bauer is an attorney from Wayne County, and his brother-in-law actually built it in 1992, and so that tells you a little bit about the door. It's 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, 2,800 square feet, and it's listed for $284,000. But I think if you started at $275 and negotiated from there,
Here's what I think.
Oh,
Wow.
brightens it up a lot.
I think we paint the house white, keep the dark brown trim, and by changing out the front doors and the light fixture and going with double doors that feel a little more like the silhouette of the lines in the window, so it's like a more modern, streamlined cabin. Not like mountain cabin, but a cabin you could find in any rural place. Tons of open space.
Okay, yeah. I love the ceiling, though. This is beautiful.
The ceilings are gorgeous. A big change happens here. You notice it's a really big living room? I think that we could steal a little of it
Okay.
to give you a kitchen you would be happier with. Ben and I are the walls
walls here.
to give you a bigger kitchen.
Well, because you know I need a giant kitchen.
Well, I mean, you do cook so much. Do any of the siblings
Cook? No?
No.
I would use my stove, but I store my shoes in there.
Well, storage is important.
The microwave works.
No, it's really beautiful. And I like this deck area. I can definitely grill here. This feels a little like Cancun last time we were there with Mom in January.
Yeah. Only the pool boy with the margarita. Where is he?
You'd have to hire him separately.
All right, so the T. Bauer house.
Yes.
If you could get it for $275, we would spend about $75,000 on it, so you'd be all in at $350,000.
So that's like the top of your budget, but
It's pretty high.
But,
it's pretty great.
Welcome to the Lowry house.
oh.
Charlene and Ford Lowry lived here from the 60s to the 90s. It's 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, 3,300 square feet. It last sold about 10 years ago for almost $300,000.
Oh, wow, okay.
It's not a $300,000 house right now. That's obvious looking at it. The way the bank is doing it, it's a sealed bid process. You can't see what other people are bidding,
Okay.
okay?
It feels like a bargain could be had.
Yeah, honestly, I wouldn't bid more than $200,000.
Not super traditional.
Not super traditional, and this will stand out.
Yes, okay. I hate leaded glass. I want to find a historic door
Perfect.
that is appropriate for the architecture.
How nice.
I love it.
You see there's some rot around.
Yeah, there's some over here too, I saw. We're not scared of rot.
Rot's no big.
Rot's no big. It does need a roof, though.
Yeah.
Oh,
But
that's
I
a
gave
big
it
roof.
one. See,
It's a
it's
lot of
nice,
roof.
like weathered wood color, sort
Okay.
of a subtle gray brown.
Yep.
With everything that you would have to do, including painting the body, it's about $45,000 on the exterior.
You know I'm not afraid of a challenge.
Okay, I want to talk about this room.
Okay.
Another fireplace. Fireplaces everywhere.
Bay windows.
Okay. Oh, this is really pretty. It's bright.
It is pretty.
It's a little lemony.
A little chiffony, but
Okay, any of these rooms could be an office.
Right.
Sure.
But this one, just imagine if you had a beautiful desk right here in the sunshine. So in here, it's just paint and a light fixture and tile on that fireplace.
And these floors look good.
The floors are great.
Yes, they just need to be swept, mopped. Okay, so a lot has to change, I think, to make it a really cool bathroom. Because right now it's just a really big bathroom.
Right.
And that's good though. So we get rid of this massive hulking built-in tub and we bring in a more feminine silhouette of a bathtub. And we lose this weird mirror with the lights. You can have a beautiful pendant light over your tub.
Nice.
And instead of this huge built-in vanity, I would like to have something a little softer. Something like 2 separate vanities, and I'd love to use antique furniture to do it with. It feels more Victorian. We get rid of the towel on the floor. And if you like the shower, I think you should keep it. I would just do a bigger glass door and maybe have glass across the entire wall. So when we retowel that shower, you can see it.
$30,000.
It's just gonna take a lot.
And it's an important room.
Yeah.
This will
So-
be your sanctuary.
Oh, you've got to be kidding me. What is this?
It's as is, Angie.
I am not normally speechless.
Can't you just see it coming home after work and
Wouldn't it be beautiful if the pool were fixed and it had a brand new liner and we had fountains over here that were like pouring into the pool to give you that beautiful trickling sound effect, and then we cleaned up all the landscaping.
to do everything, it would be about $15,000. Assuming you bid $200,000, you win it, the bank accepts it. We would then put another $135,000 into all of this. So you'd be all in at $335,000.
You bought it.
I bid.
Did you win?
I did the closed bid. I went in at 170,
Yes.
Yes, and?
and they accepted it.
Nice! Up top! Woo!
I get a house, the Lowry house.
Today's the day where we get to tear up our showrunner's house. Before we start sledgehammering, let's just pop the caps off these and unscrew them.
Yeah, we could take them apart and somebody else could use them. We're just trying to really get rid of anything that feels like it was an aftermarket edition in the 80s or 90s.
Gosh! Coming.
Thought you had it.
Well, I thought I did, and then it almost pinched my fingies. Erin and Ben sitting in a tree. K-I-S-S-I-N-G. First comes love, then comes marriage.
Okay, can you come help us take this cabinet out?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, we've got the kitchen totally gutted out. We are down to the plywood and down to the sheetrock. Bathroom's gutted out. But this foundation, a lot of houses, especially here, they're built on raised foundations. You get airflow underneath them, and there's a good way of building. Wood moves, and once it's kind of locked in a position, it's there. I've got our foundation expert, Rick, coming by to make sure that everything's solid.
It's almost indestructible. It's resistant to bugs. The likelihood of us finding any damaged wood is very slim. It almost looks exactly like it did when they put it in there 100 years ago.
So you think we're in good shape?
I think you're in great shape.
Awesome.
This home will be standing here like this with next 100 years without a problem.
I like the sound of that. I'm gonna text our homeowner, who's also kind of my boss. The countertops, the cabinets, the oak floors, this kitchen has taken a turn.
Oh man, looks so good.
Looks good, good.
I can't wait for you to see the backsplash tile that's coming. This is gonna be square tile that has this color stripes on it, and we'll turn them opposite.
Ooh.
That's
I'm
gonna-
feeling Beetlejuicy based on the way you explained it.
No, why would you say that?
Stripes. I was thinking like sandworms.
No, that's horrible.
I don't know. I like Beetlejuice. It's a great movie.
It's gonna kind of look like a seersucker quilt.
Oh, see, that's a different kind of stripe.
There you
My
go.
mind didn't go seersucker. It went Tim Burton. When's the last time you came down the street?
It's been a while, and I promise I have not peaked at all. I've really let go.
All right, well, welcome to the Tarrant house.
Oh my God,
It looks
beautiful.
good.
It's beautiful.
Yeah?
I can't believe it. Yes.
I wasn't
Thank
sure about.
God. This is a great color.
This is a really good color.
It's so good.
Oh, don't cry.
I'm so happy for you. This is so good.
Oh, you're making me cry.
You haven't even gotten inside. I know.
Don't
We gotta
cry
save
yet.
the tears.
Okay.
This house was really forlorn and forgettable.
This is not blah.
No.
This looks like joy.
Yeah.
Like if joy were a color palette. You like it?
Yeah.
It's so you.
Wow. This is perfect.
It's just paint and lighting. That's all that changed in here.
Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wow. It's so great.
Yeah?
It's so great. I don't even know why I'm crying. It's just so great. It's just,
Well, it feels good to have a place to land.
it really does. Oh, wow. This is gorgeous. These are beautiful.
Oh, I mean, look at it. Like you could host bridal parties in here.
You could rent it out as an event venue.
Seriously. It doesn't even look like the same room.
Look at your shower.
Oh, wow. Oh,
my
gosh. Yeah, this is amazing. Oh, wow.
Can we come over
Wow.
and
Anytime.
swim?
The liner looks like real rocks. That's so cool.
Oh,
Isn't that
wow.
cool? This is a serving tray
Wonderful.
for the pool.
Are you gonna
and
throw
it's
that in there?
specific. No, I'm not gonna throw it.
What are you doing?
Look at it go.
No way.
Isn't that cool?
That is the coolest thing we've ever done, and I didn't do it.
Now I don't know how we get it back.
I was gonna say-
You've set it free now.